What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with an unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. Yeah, I did kind of upgrade behind everybody's back on Twitter. I did take a picture of a regular Galaxy S Plus, but I kind of got a little buyer's remorse and wanted a much larger one, so I went back to Best Buy, returned the S8. They were kind enough to give me the same deal with the S8 Plus, seeing that they had them in stock, and now I'm here to do an unboxing of the graphite color version of this S8 tablet. So again, this is a 12.4 inch screen, S Pen, pretty much everything that you come to know about it, data link cable, quick start guide, regular Samsung terms and condition. Let's get to the unboxing. And underneath I do have the Galaxy Tab Keyboard Slim. I'm gonna put this to the side. It's all about the tablet. I did pick up the 128 gigabyte variant, but you can get this with a 256 variant. The Plus and the normal one only has 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is really light. Let me put this in. See what's inside the box first. Got the S Pen. Simple black. I wish they kind of had a variety of colors, kind of switch it up to kind of match out with the tablet, but pretty much your standard S Pen. C to C. They should have had a darker cable to kind of match the tablet, but it is what it is. And your SIM tool ejector, you can add a micro SD card to it, and again your normal books and documents and what have you. Beautiful. This is real thin, way different form factor than any iPad. Got your dual cameras on the back, 13 megapixel rear facing camera. Front facing camera is a 12 megapixel. Again, this graphite gray color. You can get this in a pink gold and a silver. The price range anywhere from $899 for the 128 gigabyte and $979.99 for the 256. There's no 512 or 1 terabyte internal storage. Again, like I said, this is 8 gigabyte Wi-Fi only. I didn't get no type of LTE setup. No headphone jack. Type C. We got the speakers on the bottom. Microphone holds the SD card. It's right on top. Speakers on the back end, and microphones on the side and on the top. You do have your pins to attach to your keyboard. And this is cool. I like this, man. This is going to be real cool. I want to enjoy this. You got your power button up top, volume rocker right next to it. I'm going to get this set up in a second, and then give me a couple of minutes. I'm going to get it set up, and I'll be right back with you, and we can go over some of the finer points of it. All right, let's get this started. Add my Wi-Fi network. 1 second. connecting, and it may take a few minutes for some updates. Always seem to be some updates out the box, but hopefully this won't take long. I may speed it up and get through this process, this part of it, so I'm not going to hold it up and make this video any longer. I'm not going to copy yet. I'm going to go ahead and get this all set up real quick. Try to get to that initial display. And now I'm getting the final setup of some of my Google services. Let's get this done. Boom, boom. All right, fingerprint. Let's see how long it takes to set this up. So while this is, go ahead and unbox this really quick while this tablet is setting up. Let me find it. Real nice slim keyboard. Quick start guide. Not much else to it. You do have the pins where your tablet will connect in at, and some extra holders that will fit into the bottom of your tablet. Nice spongy buttons, nice responsive buttons, big enough station to work on. So this should work out really nice with the tablet. And there you have it. So that pretty much it for the unboxing of my Galaxy Tab 8 Plus. I'm much happier with the larger display. I'm kind of glad I did go with this over the regular one. The high refresh rate. This is gonna be next level. I'm gonna pretty much do a more in-deep dive into this tablet a little later, so be on the lookout for more videos. Hopefully I can do like a tips and tricks video. I'm looking forward to doing that for you guys and letting you know how this particular tablet fits into my life. Also, don't forget that if you are looking to pick up a tablet like this, you can get this at a discount either through Best Buy or Samsung's website. You necessarily don't have to pay the full price, the full $8.99 plus tax for the 128, and the same for the $9.79 one. If you got something to trade in, a tablet, some type of phone, watch, anything to help you get a discount off of it, Samsung pretty much goes out of their way to try not to get you to pay full price for this if you can, if you have a decent trade-in. And I will leave some links down below for the Samsung website and for Best Buy. Those are my personal affiliate links, and by all means please feel free to use those, because that kind of helped my channel and I get a little small tiny kickback. Just want to be upfront with you guys, let you know that with those links it does help me out, so I do appreciate it if you use them. So again, that pretty much does it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave that down below. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.